Court Crew, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Courtney Jinean, and if this is your first time seeing me on the YT, don't forget to subscribe down below and join the Court Crew family. If this isn't your first time, then welcome back, sis. In today's video, I wanted to do a really cool video for you guys. You guys know that I love my recreations. If you haven't seen my Doja Cat recreation, I also followed Rihanna's makeup tutorial. What's another recreation I did? Oh, the Rain on Me music video. I've done like a few recreations on my channel, so if you haven't checked that out, definitely go do that. But today I actually asked you guys on Instagram. If you do not follow me on Instagram, please do. It's at Courtney Jinean on Instagram and also on Twitter if you want to follow me over there as well. But I asked you guys what kind of content that you would like to see, and shout out to Ali. Basically said recreate your favorite albums into an eyeshadow look, and what I'm gonna be doing today is recreating Summer Walker's Over It album cover. Yes, I bought the CD because your girl, this is one of my no skip albums. Like, I don't know if you guys, I feel like everyone has them, but a lot of people don't talk about it, but this is one of my no skip albums. Like, when it came out, I literally listened to it all the time. So yes, I did go buy the CD, but I'm gonna be recreating this look today. Basically, let me show it to you guys. Basically, you guys, it is a very pretty pink look, and then a really pretty pink lip, a lot of blush, this little bedazzled cherry do-rag, some big bamboo earrings, gold jewelry, which you guys, all I have is this one necklace. I'm so sorry, Summer Walker.
All right. I feel wonderful. I feel fine. You will not get one tear out of me tonight. I can't believe.
And then another, like a matching bedazzled cherry bikini. So yeah, honey, let's get into this makeup look. Let's get into it. I'm super excited because Summer Walker is going to be singing tomorrow on the BET Awards, so I'm excited to see what she's actually gonna sing, because this album came out in October 2019, so it's been a minute since it's been out. So I'm not sure if she's gonna like preview something new, or I wouldn't mind her to do one of those songs. I'm just putting on some Buxom lip gloss in the color Trixie. Whew. It's a pumping lip gloss, so I haven't used this in a minute, so it's really burning my lips, but it's usually not that bad. All right, you guys, let's start with brows. I actually have a full brow tutorial, so I'm gonna kind of speed through this. I'm using the ColourPop brow pencil in the color Black and Brown, and then I'm also going to go in with the Milk Makeup Kush Triple Brow Pen in the color Grind. So yeah, but if you want an in-depth and step-by-step tutorial, go check that out. I mean, that's a brow, honey. Y'all see that brow? That's a brow, honey. Now the trick is to get this one to look like this one, because this is a brow. I'm back, and let's get started. I'm going to be using the Burn Book palette, and I'm going to be using the shade Wednesday, which is like a dark pink, a lighter pink, and then also the Jackie Aina palette for the shade Supreme. This is how the eyes are looking right now. Let me go back to the album cover. I don't know if she has any like under eye eyeshadow, but I think we are done with the eyes for now. It doesn't look like she has on much liner. but she does have on lashes, which I will do after I finish up the face. I'm just gonna go get some makeup remover. If you guys like my cup, shop. You can get a personalized Starbucks cup at Cups Couture on Instagram. You can get a character, you can get butterflies like I did, you can get so many different things on a cup, and it's perfect. I drink my water in this. I put some basil and some mint in it. Chow, is so good. But anyway, that's besides the point. I'm about to go do, I have a bit of fallout, so I am going to go in with some makeup remover, and then we can go ahead and do the face. Now that I cleaned up that fallout, it's time to do our base makeup. You guys, if you're new to my channel, I like to go in with 3 primer. First, I like to go in with a spray. Right now I've been using the Fenty Beauty What It Do spray, but it's okay, but I really do, I've just been like hooked with the MAC Fix Plus. So after this runs out, I'm definitely going to be picking that up again, because I like the way this smells, and I like the way it, like, the mist comes out, but I don't know, I miss my MAC Fix Plus. Next, I'm going in with this Fenty Beauty primer. This is the the Soft Matte Pro Filter primer, and I really like this. So if you're looking for a good primer and you're just like, I feel like this is perfect for everyone. To be honest, I don't think it's like better for dry or it's better for oily. I don't really see the mattifying effect that it claims to do, to be honest, but it does really smooth out, and it really like acts like a moisturizer to me, to be honest, and I really just like how it makes my skin feel. If I was to ever suggest a primer though, and I would only choose one, it would definitely be the next primer that I'm gonna go in with, Milk Hydro Grip primer. It just, y'all, like, I think everyone who has tried this primer loves it, and it's because it's so good. Like, feels good on the skin, becomes very tacky, and it's just so good. What I am going to be using as foundation today is definitely the Pro Filter Hydrating Longwear Foundation by Fenty Beauty. It's my fave. It is in the shade 410. I don't think this is my perfect match, to be honest, but it really does look good when I pair it with the concealer by Fenty and everything else. I like to go in with a brush first, and then after I blend it all out with a brush, I like to go over it with a sponge. So now I'm just going in with my color corrector before I go in with some concealer. Usually I would do apply some color corrector under my eyes as well, but I don't think I really need to since I just went in with my foundation. But around my mouth there is a bit of discoloration, so I'm just gonna apply a little bit of color corrector there, and then go in with my concealer, which I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty 360 concealer, and then I might add a little bit of 385 as well. Now you guys, I am going in with some powder to set this, and I am using the Fenty Beauty Honey Powder and mixing it with the Laura Mercier. So for bronzer today, while this is still like baking, I'm going to be going in with this new Revolution from Makeup Revolution Beauty. I picked up their bronzers and I picked it up in the shade medium and dark, but today I'm going in with the shade medium. It's pretty rich enough. It's actually really rich, so if you're going on and trying to pick these up, one, it's a huge pan, only $8 or $12, I can't really remember, but I think it's one of those two prices. And there's so much product, and it smells like coconut, you guys, so this is just a win-win-win. To be honest, I have no complaints. I'm gonna go in and set my nose contour a little bit, and then also set my contoured areas with this powder as well. Now I'm going in with the Sephora Micro Smooth powder in the shade Tan, and I'm just using that to set all over my face. Next to go back to skin. Don't worry about the forehead because that's going to be covered with the do-rag, okay honey? I'm gonna go back to the eyes right now and just do I'm just gonna line my lids. I'm not gonna do a wing. I'm just basically just doing like liner so that it can cover where the lashes are gonna go. So I like to line with the e.l.f. liner because I just like the tip better, and then this fly liner by Fenty Beauty is just really matte and really true black. So yeah, I always go in with this first and then finish it with this. Now you guys, I'm just going in and putting on some lashes. These are the Royal Silk lashes from Kiss, my favorite, you guys. I always talk about these. They're just chef's kiss. Now for the under eye, I'm gonna go in with those same three, not the same three shades. I'm gonna go in with the hot pink from the James Charles palette and the shade Wednesday from the Burn Book palette. All right, it took me forever to find this white liner, but I'm going to line my waterline with this white liner. Okay, now I'm going to just apply some mascara to my bottom lashes. I got this free sample from Sephora. It's the NARS Climax mascara, and I've heard good things, so I'm going to use this on my bottom lashes. Hopefully it turns them into some long things. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so now for blush, I'm going to go in with those same two colors that I use underneath my eye, which is the Wednesday shade from the Burn Book palette and the hot pink shade from the James Charles palette by Morphe. I just want it to be a really unison look. And yeah, Summer has a lot of blush in this look, so I'm gonna go heavy on the blush today. So I put hella brush, but we're gonna tone it down using that same brush that we used from the with the micro smooth powder on it. And we're just gonna kind of tone it down just a little bit. So now I'm gonna go in with highlighter, and for highlighter today I'm doing one of my favorite techniques. If you've seen any of my recent tutorials, I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Skin Glow Stick in Pearl, and I'm just applying that to my cheeks with a brush. Putting Supreme, but it's definitely not light enough. Let's look in this Kylie You're So Money Baby palette. These eyeshadows are trash, to be honest. Just need a really dusty pink to go in my inner corner, and this seems to work. What I'm using is Work For It in this palette. I'm gonna go in with Urban Cafe by NYX. For my lipstick shade, I'm gonna go in with the NYX lipstick in the shade Shy. I'm just doing a little bit because it's very extremely light, so I'm just gonna blend that out, and then I'm gonna go in with two pink glosses. Actually, I'm gonna add in a little bit of Uncuffed by Fenty Beauty. It's like a pinky nude, like a mauve nude, and this lip combo is very pink, so I'm just gonna add a little touch of that. Now I'm gonna go in with, you guys know these are my two favorite glosses right now. I'm gonna go in with the Buxom Trixie, and then also go over it with the Fenty Beauty Spacesuit. Yes, this is perfect. Okay, I'm gonna go put on my outfit, and then we will finish up, show you guys the final look. Alright, you guys, and this is the final look. Let me know down in the comments if you think I nailed it. Let's do a side by side. Let me get my pink phone. Like she's literally like talking in the middle of this, but did I kill it or not? I think I killed it. Let me know down in the comments if you like this type of series. I don't know if I'll always recreate the cover. Like, this one was extremely easy to do, but like another favorite cover of mine is, favorite album of mine is Trap Soul by Bryson Tiller, and I can't really recreate that, but I could do like an eyeshadow look. So let me know if you like this type of series. If you do like this series, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below that you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.